Its series are going on. So in this video we will discuss about the set of numbers, that how many kind of sets. So we will discuss a short trick in this video. So natural number are denoted by n, and whole number are denoted by n naught or w. Integer number are denoted by z, and positive integer are denoted by z positive. Negative integer are denoted by z negative, and rational number are denoted by q, and real number are denoted by r, and complex number are denoted by c. So in this video we will discuss the short tricks related to this set of numbers. Okay, so natural number are started from 1 2 3 up to so on. The natural number are also called as the counting number because they are first discovered or they are first used for calculation. Whole number or counting number plus 0 is called whole number. Okay, when we added 0 in natural number, they will become whole number up to so on. And integer, all those number, whole number and their opposite and 0 is called integer. It means that natural number 0 and all its opposite means negative sign, so this will become 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to so on, and this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 up to so on. These are called the integer. Integer of positive, integer may be negative, and 0 is called also. We can also write this integer is equal to z negative union 0 union z positive. It means that positive numbers 0 and negative numbers are combined to make a integer. And what are rational number? All those numbers which can be written in form of fraction, p upon q, that are called the rational number. And irrational, all those numbers are non-repeated and non-terminating decimal are called irrational number, like under radical 3. When we solve this on calculator, the answer will be 1.73218 up to so on. So these are non-repeated and non-terminating. These are called irrational number. Okay, what are the real number? The union of rational and irrational number are called real number, and complex number, this is real. The union of rational plus irrational numbers are called real number. And what are called complex number? So complex number, the real plus imaginary numbers, real union imaginary numbers are called complex number. So C is equal to, in which we write in tabular form, x plus iota y, or x such that x belongs to real and y belongs to imaginary number or irrational number. So these are called the complex number. In short trick, we can also remember that natural number are proper subset of z integer, and integer are proper subset of rational number, and rational number are proper subset of real number, and real are the proper subset of the complex number. This is a key point through which we can use to solve any kind of a problem. So if we draw it like a graph, and the graph will be like that. So these are the natural number, and these are whole number, these are integer. Okay, and these are rational number, these rational plus irrational, there is some portion, this is also called as irrational. So irrational number, and they are combined to form a real number, and real number is also a subset of complex number. It means that in complex number, these are also like symbol iota, imaginary number, x plus iota y. So okay, so natural number are subset of real, whole number are subset of integer are subset of rational, and when rational and irrational are combined, they form a real number. When real and virtual numbers are combined to form a complex number. So we are discussing about their basic identities. So what is called the additive identity? So whenever we add 0 to any number, the result will become same. So this is called the additive identity. It means that when 10 plus 0, it will remain the same digit. So this is called 0 is called the additive identity. And what is called the additive inverse? When we add opposite of number to itself, the result will become 0. Any two digit, when they are added, the result will become 0. They are called the additive inverse of each other. Okay, when I add 9 to minus 9, the result will become 0. So minus 9 is additive inverse of 9, or 9 is additive inverse of minus 9. Okay, what is called the commutative of addition? A plus b is equal to b plus a. So this operation is valid in addition. If we add 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5, the equation will remain same, so there is no impact on the final result. This is called the commutative of addition. What is called the associative of addition? Associative always valid on 3 terms. So a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b bracket close plus c. When we take 3 terms, the with respect of addition is given, so this is called the associative of addition. What is the definition of subtraction? So subtraction, the definition of subtraction is also called as addition. Subtraction is also addition. So we can also write this equation like this, because subtraction is nothing but its opposite of addition. What is called multiplicative identity? When we multiply 1 to any number, the result will become same. There is no impact on its original value. If we multiply 100 with 1, the result will become 100. What is called the multiplicative inverse? When we multiply a number with its opposite, the result will become 1. Okay, so these are called the multiplicative inverse. It means that if we multiply a number and the result will becomes a multiplicative identity, so these are called the multiplicative inverse. What is called multiplication times? It means that if we multiply a term many times, a number, the result will becomes a 0. That is called 0. It means that when 0 multiply to any number, the result will becomes 0. This is called multiplication times. Now commutative of multiplication. When in commutative mean in the side of another, so a into b or b into a, the result will become same. 5 into 3 or 3 into 5. These are two terms. They are valid with respect to multiplication, so these are called the commutative of multiplication. What is called associative of multiplication? In associative, always this property is always valid on 3 terms. So b is equal to c. This will becomes a into b cross c. Okay, now called distributive law. What is called the distributive law? Distributive law is also consists on a 3 element b plus c. It will become a b, multiplication of first term with first plus multiplication of first term with last term, so ac. This is called the distributive law. And what is called the definition of division? Definition of division: if a upon b, we can write also this equation like a into 1 upon b. So this is called definition of division.